And he get as you go call your friend. Guys, I know I call your friend say, oh boy, you know, so I don't sleep with that girl. The boy go say, hey! Ha! Oh boy, God, wait one for you, go do one for me. Thank you. When I could refrain, no. Bros, look me. When I come in office, I know they look another side. In my office, focus. Are they sure say no be your table? Come man like you can see Monday, so you can buy a table and they sit down for you. Who are you? The other comedians they perform they press phone. The girl no come. Ooh. They don't give you free room. You don't the other right. You want to ride? Ladies and gentlemen, help of the boys. Respect, sir. Our king died. Then come say they find 12 faying to use burial. He go take before them burial. No faying. No faying, no. He go take. See mumu. Say him be king. They follow tradition. Tradition goes scatter now. You better than look for who use burial. You wish for him down. Other comedians they come and get their topic. Me, I want to focus on sin. The sin I want to talk about. Yes. You are ready, Abby? Now you be DN. DN. Say me, look at me. Do you know me? I come up for court. You know why I come up for court? Then get lost memory. Anytime they see me, who calls you? I go tell them. Tomorrow they'll meet me again. Who called? The one who I tell yesterday, forget. I said, no, I don't want that. I don't feel the suffer that. Wow, my guy. You know, so there are two types of Bitcoin. One, clip. The other one, no, two types of BTC. Okay, yes, two types of BTC. One, Bitcoin. The other one, bring something come. I don't feel talk like that. I don't feel that. When I was over, that is, it is me, are they okay to come make una laugh? When I was over here, no laughter for now. Anyone wish with me, I laugh when I laugh. My brother. When I see Tinubu as him performing it, if that man win our national anthem, we no go to their attention. Look at me, go to shake. I like the man. Eh? So when we shake, we go turn. Come for stand there. Correct guy. Now, because TV, I can't enjoy myself. I don't feel myself for Boroko. I don't need to impress anybody because my strength don't expire. So, I just go to make una happy. But please, if you're a sinner, commission the way where if the brother of Jesus they wash him, he go they price they no they hide the commission. I go the commission. You know say. As a married man like this, when you don't deal with another girl, your wife can't call you. When you answer the call, you can't come on the phone like that. The girl go to say, they focus on. I don't know, say they check whether she they hear the voice for the phone with the distance. No. You don't share update. Yeah. Not only update, they copy, and you never the pick. Update. I want to see, I've been the masturbate before. Back on strong. Because masturbation need a lot of concentration. In my house, I've been they stay with my parents. So anytime I do, somebody go enter, I go come stop, start afresh. And to start afresh, they hard. So my colleague, they can attest to this thing. You need full concentration when you're... Masturbation is not good because if you masturbate, you know if you got a pen neck, it got to affect you. It affect the backbone like that. So why are they told this? Because are the heroes married people? You people are married, you have everything. One woman they complain, saying your husband they masturbate. I confess, why? How can a man see your wife? You cannot be in the mood. You see soap, you in the mood. I think down because it is some I listen now. You know they cool. They and the woman can't explain the way they use the masturbate. The man they do style with masturbation. So you get the one when you see the man they do that. So this one they call a wiper. Then he get the one say, the man Robbie, the man they do this one na keke na pep. And how can a man be doing that with my the man can't make me, I can't remember my past. Now me make Genevieve never marry. Are you sure, man? That time when Genevieve na logs ambassador, I use the paper and the soap. Because as I put Genevieve picture like this, I use the soap, I Genevieve, the Genevieve. That time, if you had watch Genevieve film, she dey do I feel say na wetin I do am dey affect down. I use Genevieve, I use am. If you're a gay, yeah, I go even boy razzle you, no agree. In come up pictures, snap it, yeah, snapping, as you say, you are finished. In go use you, use you like this. They do am, no good. I remember that time, masturbation, and there's no way you can do masturbation and you're not watching Bru film. That time was small. Bru film that time. God thank God for my life. That time, when I know now who talk this the of us there, who there for Port Harcourt. You know, say Bru film. If you buy, I know they carry the packet, come back house. And when you go to buy them, you are not in a hurry. They cool down. When you enter, so what do you want? Say for others. And we are proofing the day for the shop. They climb something for una know now. You know, so when he correct them, right? As he correct them, and that time if you get proofing for a street, if you champion, friends go they honor you. They see your daddy you. They carry crown. One day I can go carry proofing. And you know, see all of us we learn how to work DVD that time and proofing. Because the moment never take that. You get one small knife where they chicken. Go come carry am. Come go do. Una no, they do that. So una no. I dey talk my past. No be sure still dey do am. When he come, they do am. But in who be that? See, and they don't dey talk. I dey motivate una. See, some people turn to people they work DVD. No be say them plan am. Man like Chico, you don't understand because you deal with industrial things. Then even Shimo, you don't understand this thing because na door, iron, all this. But if you understand, because still iron is rod that is. So now what are they doing? So I can't one night ready, I can't they wash. I know say if never take right, your Bru film dey inside, your mother send you message. You know they go fast, come back. You don't come back, constant. One day they watch Bru film for night. And for my now 2 room that they already stay, paro and room. I don't know say my father don't come out. So they face the TV, they watch. And Bru film now the only film where anytime where Yama me they understand what they mean. In any language. If you hear Yama and the woman, you can understand say as going down. So you know what I'm talking about. So now when I go tired for me, go punish you. She say I'm happy with you people. So I can't do the watch you Bru film. As I watch you Bru film, right, I can't hear crack. I can't run to go come out there. And my father can't tell me, hey, stop there. You won't go remove her. You know, she said, today on sweepers, yesterday on. I can't say, wow, my father, they follow up. My father, they miss rounds. See a big man, they shake. They do that. Mumu cut his way over and make it. Anchor ship. The anchor ship for dry down. Just in terms of boy be pilot, I never know how to. Besides, pilot na ship in the drive. Pilot no be brain. The miss. See, I don't live in table join. That means I see you get money and you know if you get. The miss if you go join this side. You're a disgrace to table. Make a face now. And I don't see and say money down. The way money there now, if not before, the kind you go around crack knife for 6 months for do. Now they know they do that. Even wedding where I go yesterday, the way they use the spray money and transfer, the man go come 1,000 go dance. 2,000 go dance still. Even girls now, the way they use them, or go Casablanca Junction now, all the girls, they will POS. The only way if you use full your show now for Boroko, your 10%. Oh well, girls stranded here, go see, hey, okay. Make I go, what I go, if you help me, I carry one. It involve God for Momu. He want. But I can't find out, say, get the kind girl where go sleep with her. You know, if he ask God for forgiveness. your sin will be with you. Like me now, I dey here now, sleep with Genevieve. You say, I ask God, why? It's my sin. God punish me for this sin. And he get that you go call your friend. Guys, when I know, I call your friend, say, oh boy, you know, so I don't sleep with that girl. The boy go say, hey! Ha! Oh boy, God, wait one for you, go do one for me. Oh, no, good night. My name is Akpan Okon.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.